What if one experience could change the direction of your life? See, in psychedelic therapy, that's not unusual. People describe one guided session as the most meaningful experience they've ever had. Some describe it even more transformative than childbirth, marriage, or a spiritual event. Scientifically, we know why, because psychedelics, they loosen the rigid network within the brain, especially the default mode network. This is a network that keeps our identity stitched together. When those patterns soften, the self softens, and new insights can surface from there. People say they feel the truth in their bones, or some will say, there is this deep knowing that I feel within my chest. It's not an idea, but it's almost like a lived experience and understanding. One session becomes a doorway into new ways of relating to the self, to suffering, and to life itself. Not every experience is, of course, bliss, but if guided well, it can be transformative. It is a reminder of the mind's capacity to heal when the right space is opened up.